Hi, I'm Molly.
I'm Bailey.
I'm Victoria.
And today we're making fried rice. That'll be solid.
Alright, here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have white rice, water, 1 egg, and soy sauce.
First, we will place half a cup of white rice and half a cup of water into a small saucepan and begin boiling the water, which means the water has reached 100 degrees Celsius and stays at constant temperature.
To avoid boil over, we placed a lid over the boiling water. Here you can see the water vapor condensing.
Now we're going to scramble the egg. We will be using a saute pan. You want to crack the egg directly into the pan. Here we're using conduction to cook the egg through direct contact. The heat of the pan is directly on the egg, allowing an even cook.
For the rice, here we are using convection to cook the rice because when the rice is in the water, the cool molecules sink to the bottom of the pot, get heated, and raise to the top by heating the rice in the middle of the pot.
If you're cooking, we wouldn't use radiation, which is the transfer of heat through electromagnetic waves. You would typically use this for cooking something in a microwave.
Here we are showing you how heat evaporation is applied to the water. When you put the pot on the stove, the heat from the stove adds energy to the water to cause it to change from a liquid to a gas. When the water is being vaporized, the temperature of the vapor is higher than 100 degrees Celsius.
On the lid, you see water droplets. This is heat of condensation. This is when the vapor releases energy to go back to a liquid. The vapor's temperature is below 100 degrees Celsius.
So over here we will show you what an egg looks like before and after denaturalization. Denaturalization is a change in a protein's original form. To denature a protein is to add a source of heat, salt, acid, or force.
The raw egg is translucent and liquidy, whereas the cooked egg is now opaque and firm.
Eggs are the most common form of a protein. Proteins are long chains of amino acids.
Once the rice is done cooking, you're going to put the rice in the saute pan with the egg. Now stir in 1/4 cup of soy sauce over high heat for 3 minutes and it's ready to be served. Okay, no. Okay. Mmm.
To clean our dishes, we are using dish soap because the isomers in dish soap and hand soap have the same molecular formula but different structural formula, giving them a different purpose.
Different shapes of the isomers allow the soap suds to extract the oils off the pan than it would for your hands. The hydrophilic heads in a micelle of the soap extract the oil inside the bubble to protect the hydrophobic tail of the oil from the water.
Saponification is a reactant that mixes with the compound to produce what we know as soap. Soap suds are made of micelles with a aqueous solution with a very polar end and a very nonpolar end.
Polar ends are attracted to water and the nonpolar ends are unattracted to water.
Hydrocarbons are compounds with only hydrogen and carbon atoms. They can either be saturated or unsaturated depending on the number of carbon bonds they have.